Hi, Dr. Gary here on the road. We are dental practice brokers nationwide. We sell dental practices. So today's topic is, how long should a new buyer dentist wait after graduating dental school and or residency? How long should they wait before they purchase a practice? Let's talk about that today. We're now in 28 states selling dental practices nationwide. We have 10 employees, including 2 CPA accountants. We're now available to 363 days a year. And we work every day except Christmas and Easter. So you can reach us from 8 a.m. East Coast time to 9 p.m. East Coast time. Just give us a call. We'll be happy to answer your questions. Now, everything you're hearing is for entertainment purposes. Our opinions. It's not legal advice. So, in addition, if you're thinking about selling to a DSO, please call us, because we work with all of them across the country. We feel we're at the pulse of the marketplace. We know what's going on. They're changing. The whole marketplace is changing. Everything is changing, especially with interest rates going up. So we know who's strong, who's not, who's the best for you. We're independent. We can pick and choose. However, majority of all DSOs pay our commission. And if you work with us, we'll often get your legal fees reimbursed upon closing. So give us a ring. More than happy to help you. So how long should a new buyer, how long should they wait before they purchase a dental practice or getting out of your residency? Things have changed, and what has changed the most is the interest rates. We're in like May of 2023, 6-7 months ago. It was like 2.83% a year ago. It has doubled. The rates are now 5.5. One of the banks is at 6. The federal, they just hiked the interest rate again. Yesterday was it, or on Wednesday? They raised the interest rate again. So your rate you're paying now is double what it was when it was 2.8, because you're like 5.5, almost 6 now. It's double the amount. That's a lot of money. It used to be steady for many years. The time is now. The average time out of dental school to buy a dental practice used to be, in the last few years, it was 4 years out that most of the dentists would then buy a practice. It's now, with interest rates going up and everything, it should now change. You should change that down to about a year. I think if you're working for a year, you're more than ready. Certain doctors come right out of school, get their license and their degree and start working right away. But the average dentist was waiting 4 years and about 3 years outside of their general practice residency. And then they were buying it. I feel that is, under the circumstances, way too long. If you think about it, a year ago, your interest rates would have been 1/2 of what they are now. 1/2. So it's something to think about. Was it worth waiting that extra year? And because your next 10 years, your mortgage rate's going to be double. That's the average dental loan is 10 years. So you don't want to wait. At this point, 1 year, go out and look for a dental practice. Out of your residency, get out, and sooner rather than later, maybe 6 months, get a practice to purchase. All right, no matter how much money you're making, you're not getting the write-offs that you would if you own your dental practice and you have no investment in anything. There's no investment when you work for somebody. There's no future. You just assume you're going to be healthy. You're going to have a job every day. You get hurt on Friday afternoon, you're not going to work Monday. There's no money coming in. If you own a practice, you have office overhead insurance. You have friends you can call to come in. But the average dentist has been waiting 4 years. My suggestion is wait a year and no longer than a year. You could do it less. And out of a residency, 6 months, get that practice going for yourself. These interest rates, there's no end to it, okay? And I do believe we are going to hit an economic crisis at one point. It's going to happen. So be aware of that, all right? So great talking to you. We got a great weekend coming up. We're here May in New Jersey. It's feeling pretty good. A lot of action this weekend and the next 5 weekends. We have just picked up a bunch of new practices, so you should be getting our newsletter soon. If you don't, call us up, sign a non-disclosure agreement, and then we'll get you everything. All right? Thank you for listening. Hope to speak to you all soon. Bye now.